Karnataka, because if there's one political showdown and it's heat raising right now for the Chief Minister is on the Muda scam. But the Karnataka government is also up in arms now. After Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot issued a notice to Siddaramaiah, seeking an explanation from him on the alleged irregularities in the allotment of sites to his wife by the Muda. The showcase notice stated, lands owned by Siddaramaiah family violates laws as well as Corruption Prevention Act can come into this picture. Now, the governor has asked the Chief Minister to also reply with evidence. Karnataka government and defence ordered a judicial inquiry into the Muda scam in a cabinet meeting. Congress claims that Chief Minister's wife signed a memorandum of understanding with the Muda for her land. And hitting back at the BJP, Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar termed the show cause notice as destruction of democracy. Let's listen in to these reactions coming in or what the leaders have to say in Karnataka.
There is a law of the land. Nothing the CM has misused his office or his wife has taken the benefit out of the government. She has lost the land. It is her land. She has lost the land. And the Urban Development Authority has given her a composition. They have not, the Urban Development Authority has encroached. It is not acquired. So there is a law. When such things happen, she has to get the composition. So an alternative composition, 50-50 she has taken. There is nothing wrong.
A private individual without going to the magistrate has gone directly to the governor. So governor should have advised the person to go before the competent authority, and the competent authority requests for permission from the governor, then the governor could have definitely looked into the matter. That's the procedure. They serve a show cause notice at the same night also shows that there is a prejudice and a predetermination on and it's not a fair process.
हमारी जानकारी में कोई ऐसा विवाद न कभी था और न कभी है। जब भी ऐसे आंदोलन होते हैं तो सत्ता दल के लोग इस आंदोलन को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश करते हैं। उस प्रक्रिया में विभिन्न प्रकार के विवाद बनाए जा रहे थे, लेकिन ऐसा कोई विवाद हमारे देखने में न था न है। यह एक संयुक्त आंदोलन है, हम दोनों मिलकर के इसको करेंगे।